Arias' lawyers are actually private attorneys that are being paid for by the state. So they're in that sort of public defender role, but they're actually private attorneys in their normal practice. Now, I want to bring in-session correspondent Jean Casares. And, Jean, what else do you know about these attorneys?
Well, I've been researching them, so I know a bit. Okay, first of all, the defense team, right? Jennifer Wilmot and then also Mr. Nurmi. She is a career public defender because she went to University of Arizona and then Arizona State University Law School and immediately went into the public defender's office. And she really rose to the top, Jennifer Wilmot, very, very quickly, prosecuting major felonies of all types. She then took on a role where she started training other public defenders, and she's even gone outside the office to do that. So that is her background. She's really a career defense lawyer. Mr. Nurmi actually specializes in sex crimes. That is what he has focused on in his career. Obviously now not doing not only a murder case, but a death penalty case. But remember, they're trying to show that the Travis Alexander was a sexual deviant, and that is something that he has actually defended in his career. So that's the defense team, but then you have the prosecutor, right?
Yeah, exactly. And, you know, Juan Martinez, he's in there in that courtroom. He's alone at that table, not something you often see in a death penalty case. What do we know about him?
He has quite a reputation as being tenacious and someone who is so focused and so passionate about what he does. He is a career prosecutor. He's prosecuted for 25 years, many, many death penalty cases, many convictions in death penalty cases. Some are not first-degree murder convictions, but result in second-degree. But he works by himself because he doesn't need anybody else. He is so focused and so organized, and his background is something that really touches my heart because he was born in Mexico to, obviously, parents of Mexican descent. They moved when he was a little boy to Victorville, California. He learned English there and went on to have such an illustrious legal career. So really, I think, part of the American dream all the way around.
Absolutely. Now, you've been in that courtroom. You've seen the jury looking at these lawyers when they do their presentations. How are they responding to each lawyer?
You know, both sides are being respected by the jury. And I think that's because they respect each other. Yes, there are arguments. Yes, there are objections. But this is not a courtroom where you see one side putting the other side down and it becoming just public in that courtroom. So the jury respects both sides. They're giving equal weight to both sides. They are a focused jury that's looking for the truth.
All right, far cry from the Casey Anthony case where you didn't always know if the sides were respecting each other. Here, a very different story. Jean, great to talk to you.